Well, the social media, so we say, the only good thing is that we are comforted because Unyamini and a wohodom. Do everywhere. Okatre, Obisa, Unyamina, Demonia, it's not easy.
It's not easy.
Not at all. You are not feeling what people are feeling.
Yeah.
And you just say that here, but it is not a joke. It is not a joke. The Crepa says it's not a joke. The multimedia family too as well, and then the schoolmates, other people,
and the filmmakers.
I think the best thing for now is that God knows best. Apart from that, the here Kessian say they be hold fort no when Udupon said to us. Na ya hwi ni encourage you
exactly
na yama family need to manage who say it is well no matter the time
it is well some reason now was here to me boa we jechire and ye nyina ye ma ye ni nkoho ai ne yemboa
well the DBS for some but am cause DBS on crank
oh there be
hey it can be
DBS the me the one crank DBS the magic baby
I want to cofa e be 3x4 who so baby otromutu no ana cofa e 3x4 for bi na eja onya sisi me boy
no
okobo onu anti onu friends baza
asemo
na we dey na enyu se na me say on go DBS you know nti e kakaka wa ha nyese bia e kan sa keke
da be DBS
e dey yankasi aso ahwe aye di ho dance
sanet here
eno na be mu won say enye bibia keke na ofa na dey draw dance Tina ye kamfu DBS o Kumasi o Nkran o Takradi o Tamale o
DBS anwa so they also ni o matu nchia dey be how sorry how go hwe dey no
so be monitor because color no say hey coloring class
mo be study
eti what that you bibia wa utie bia ya chia we da wa sese wagibre na onso Utimi Efebi na Utiebi. Because Ofebia, Namia Dumeni Ayoa, will be a guma maoro.
I see you for Naba.
I see you for.
I see you for.
I mean, I see you. I only see 041. 041 or no,
I see
Germany. Name Mrs. Comfort Mensa or Resurrection Power Germany.
Right.
And then I would order. And Mammy tear too much.
Okay.
You first already a day we free Germany aba. Na o person ye bomb the crown hot tono.
Sanity.
The Mrs. Comfort Mensa Resurrection Power Germany. This is the mommy happy birthday so enko
mommy asum drink kan obenyache
but yeah they asaba se be som gini se so be som
na be Kwabena answer na be fiase na wo kono na obi si amu anka sembi obi si kai be kasa baako
nukejo
o say
bojiri
eno kire say
nukejo
eno kire say
bojiri
eno kire say adum bojiri eno kire say na
people just there for daring sake
and the all kind of kire say kire mo
fetiri dechi oh and come on kekebo no person timo a okọ Adom FM online ubon say I gbe lessons no maybe egu ho no ma edi ama ho opo mu nua ni bia fetiri dechi ni sa no ma
na ba ko be sigent mi anche mo so na betimi ache konko no via kire say
oh monko no mdi kosa monko owula monko
ode ade ade
monko
monko ade ade
monko a grasshopper
that's good word
ready yesu
hey I see you
hey Adom
baba shase e no bu kebi chebo before you body e pa o monko na so pe kasa interpretation dia me ya de maka chire mo
hey Adom
chale me se ma mo me ntimra Ghana na odi be chia de ma betima ye no enye bili de kosi
abuzia
mesre kojo fojo na onim emramu ni sa na manoma no na usua on se no yese asembia koso ye court na say any speaker for Kojo.
Yeah, I'm betting me a vote.
Kojo ni ho na say inti sa me ho se obi e kasa. Me ana obi a kire na adwena me pe. De me mpese aya na yesoso so na ye ma na timi konkan ne ye. Edidi atema ye de so adwenche.
Okay.
So
very important. Yeah.
So kire na adwen say ni first deputy speaker, second deputy. Who here so ye konto.
Yeah, I'm betting me a vote.
Sa ba no. Wonti ase a for whatever reason enunti na say o kire wa adwen di nti a onti ase.
Sanity.
O man chichire no me nti me ho ase bia na say arrive at a good conclusion. Ti mesre we su no eni ho kwan say be daure bia ye be twititiri o mrashi bedwam na any attempt to do that no so no confer problem kase pa aba. I think the lawyer de call you no ye na na say
yeah
na wama clarity aba say the be na wo mrashi bedwam a wo hu say
na tie
say na hihye no susutie ba me tie say na mrashi bedwam for bi su kase da bi omo so de omo ho nti nya de a obi betimi abetire
asha omo say omo nya say
well hear how it goes. The only good thing bad thing I mean person say you very repeat the mistakes are cause of parliament through fighting and some words and your papa.
Sure.
Now yet me atu adwene to arrive at a conclusion
very important.
Ye ko enim biem no so no. Misre say Ghana mampen on take a very bold decision on Adwaso. So what I say because I feel there is becoming one too many.
But so about leave extension.
Make say yeah I say man okay inti sebi yen ka say yade yade say yade no yade a it is sebi o maybe my ministry na was hard as dey
but since they say he said tie there
no we should take a decision on that but see ehwe there so e cost social media na nkomo e cost there's something wrong. It has something to do probably with the health maybe I nim there
okay
but I think that the party MPP and that of Ayen and another Dankwa Kufuor I don't think it's fair. Me for money or more e-leave is one of the day. That's not my issue. My issue is that gender a very sensitive, relevant ministry.
Exactly.
Any who can say it just has space no air
for be access.
And your papa. And your papa. The party should take a decision. Ghana na motu tia JJ and your MPP. Ghana and a motu tia JJ your MPP.
Very important.
So what I say, Mesre. So let's take a decision on this one. Na ma mamu no enya dia ehia yen na ho onfa so kese edimai.
Aside that she's a member of parliament.
Yes, that's no dia say the constituency no problem.
Exactly.
I know the constituency
and her constituency
because Ghana mpunto ni nkoso de dia. Eno dia ehia yen their party bear with the constituency and they omo asem. But I'm saying that the president should take a decision on this matter because back and forth Anna is becoming so worrying. Security agencies, it's an appeal to all of us as Ghanaians, especially politicians. Omo tie das ya bra no mama omo kura so. Omo hu asu esia na omo tamna question security agency bi. Eti profiling or style of recruitment continues to be a challenge for Mother Ghana. It's not about this administration. This administration inclusive. But all administrations are practicing. It's a norm.
They just handpicked.
So
So we a boy.
Eti uba hunu
party boy.
Na nipa na ordinary kotum ebia no no akra no. And some we are one of the biggest problems. Na yonko fa no omo oni omo di agro no ene adwene wo ni team no enya adwene ye papa.
I the security service.
So enti mesre these are very important patriotic relevant services. Say omo recruitment and no so ye ma amanyosem take over and also sanso it's coming back.
But man issue we're raising a big challenge but how do we deal with it
until we become principal? How have we done it before Sanima WCC? Until we become principal.
And are they ready to be principled?
But that is the problem of all of us as a country. You're no crackanic jina baby a jina and it's makano cray. You're no crackano, a jina baby a jina and it's makano cray. Today, a quay mo be part whatever is happening in the country. Challenges be a condo. Obisu opposition or Pabemwaba. And nobody will call you, and nobody will call you. Ghana a secret. When we do that, we don't have a second Ghana. We only have one Ghana. The principle that has always been determined by where you stand, continues to be a challenge for us.
Omanhene ba, or see Awana yene boy.
Yeah.
Say Awana is fit for the security service. And one is
Awana cried in the foyer.
Or say,
Osha Awana, in foyer. We are the engaged in the police service. Oh no, I entered the dano. No food. HME, I may complete HMF. Osha Awana. Oh no, boys on no mudia grow crown. Maza, open your problem with the police service.
Yeah.
Osha Awana. Ebi ono omu transina so mu wibia. Maza.
Troka.
But say o na adwene mpo say obe go through training na say quite training the TSA no kura. Say omu co training 3 months it's worrying. Me say omu pay attention to these relevant bodies omu boy and oban. So obi immigration officer timi konji 5 cities. Ebi border. Ebe fem kwa. E kira wa adwene ye chichire as oman. How? Ya tuni o ma jeje musa na take over we na e bri ani suwia na afi ya kope ya sha ase point fingers we na ye we don't solve problems. Knee jerk reactions in one editor we don't solve problems.
No correct.
Di mesro mo amutie wa amano nso a 3 seconds bia na mu diatem yes na
be me 2 parties that
dia mo hu ho no mo be se mo hu bi wa ha. You can compare 200 and over and 150 years and over democracies and constitutional practice to a country that is at 65. Mr. Mugana and says how. Yes, you do, baby. Our exaggeration is too much.
Yeah.
And says in countries around us or Africa, majority of them,
exactly. And they are no crapper.
Let's protect our own.
You overpainted picture very badly, wrongly.
Yes. And let's not think that you're doomed. You're
sinking to the extent to say to me right.
Why?
And that's all.
It's not true.
Yeah.
Maybe at the pace of development, certain attitudes be a very
yes. We can talk about it. But the good things are possible, so we need to paint it.
Say Tiwoi, Nasia ma China.
Yeah.
And then Abe. Any cocoa, call more. And Chebia announce China the leading producer of coconut.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, number 5.
Yeah.
Miss me call Dunkwa last no be share a matanya kwala senate.
Yes.
Now cocoa instead
strategy.
It's 21st century. And
so these are the things that we have to start thinking about to just push the pace ID development. Say it mean conquer. And very important. Now I'm building on our own. We crash our own too much. Eti bi besi ya na mi sie. Ana mi se ka wo ayi Pa Thomas Jumbi o horma na ze Thomas. Ona boss kai muja.
Ai.
Pa Thomas
yeah.
Ze wo. Pa Thomas Jumbi o horma.
The guy moja.
Ya mi pia. Kemoni baya as ya twene so. Wa ye crowd so me be call the pepe.
Ojina waji.
Eti me so me check me go to man na matu. Ina eja me ze.
Eh
ma ma no afa no hodi. O shia wa oman. Missy Menidia. Ebe hami o. Missy me where the crew. Me kini sa. Me processor. Co specialist.
That o ka bibia jere o.
Co specialist on what was them. Be be sia be da